This is Nora, a smart snoring solution that you want to have in your bedroom. This is you, well rested and fresh, but you used to be more like this. Thanks to your outstanding vocal performance, you got a lot of this. Yep, your snoring is putting a damper on things at home. And you know it can increase the chance of strokes and heart attacks. So you go out there and try all kinds of anti-snore products. And then you meet Nora. Using Nora is simple. Just pick your favorite pillow, put the expander in your pillowcase, tap Nora, and go to sleep. When you start snoring, Nora gently moves your head so you stop before your partner wakes up. The science of it is simple. When you fall asleep, your neck and throat muscles relax. This decreases the size of the airway and causes the vibrations. The slight movement of your head stimulates these muscles and opens the airway, so you can breathe normally again. The best part is, you won't feel a thing. You can sleep in any position or on any part of the pillow. Our patent-pending design is just as effective. Everything about Nora is designed to make it a delightful addition to your bedroom. The organic shape is inspired by natural objects, and the smooth matte finish looks great in any setting. Nora comes in a beautiful portable bag, equipped with a rechargeable battery, making it easy to use on the go. We created Nora because we were frustrated with the impractical and expensive products out there. A year of obsessive designing, prototyping, and testing has brought us here. The result is unlike any other snoring solution. An elegant device with a seamless experience, now ready for mass production. Nora, less that, and more this. We can't wait to bring silent sleep to you.